and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tia, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title down below what this video is going to be about, so if you're interested, please stay tuned. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment right after this video and tell me what you think. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the Pretty Girl gang. Anyway, let's jump right into the video. Right here, I'm just going in with my concealer to prime my eyelids, and then I'm going to use a loose powder to set them before I apply my eyeshadow. Right here, I'm just going to go in with my Prestige palette, and I'll be using the darkest brown in here just to do like my crease and then like the outer corners of my eye. So next I'm going in with this like royal purple, and I'm just going to be applying this to the middle part of my lid. And how I get this color to show up like really loud, I just keep on applying it over and over and over a couple of times until I get the desired like effects from the eyeshadow. Excuse my mirror for being in your way, but right here I'm just using my highlight. It's like a gold shimmery highlight, and I'm just adding this to my brow bone. So right here, I'm just going to go in with this light shimmery purple and just add this to the inner corners of my eye. Right here, I'm going in with my eyeliner by Black Radiance, and I'm just making my wing liner. So right here, I'm just going to go in with my True Complexion Shine Control Primer by Black Radiance and apply it to my face before I apply my foundation. So right here, I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Mocha. It's the dewy kind, and I'm just going to apply this to my face. Now I'm going in with my eyeliner and I'm just going to line my waterline. So next I'm just going to apply my lashes. They're the Fox Mink Lashes 5D by the Eve Collection and then number 8. These lashes are dope. I really like them. Next, I'm just going to go in with the light dust of highlight and apply it to my cheekbones, my nose, and my cupid's bow. So I'm just going to go back in with my rose water and spray it on my face and use it as my setting spray. So lastly, I'm just going to go in with my lip liner and just apply this to my lips. I'm using the color Dark Brown by Kiss. My channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you thought of this look, and also give me some ideas of makeup, like eyeshadows and stuff that you want me to try, and I'm willing to try it. So yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join my gang. You know, just grow with me. Let's grow together. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Peace.